Planning for a trip and don't know where to start? Traveling can be overwhelming, especially if it's your first time. But fret not, we're here to guide you through the preparation process. By following these easy steps, you'll be all set for your journey. First things first, research your destination. Familiarize yourself with the local culture, language, weather, and customs. Dive into reliable websites or travel blogs. They're treasure troves of information. Knowledge about your destination will help you plan better and avoid unpleasant surprises. Next up, set a budget for your trip. Consider factors like where you'll stay, what you'll eat, how you'll get around, and what you'll do. Don't forget to earmark some cash for unexpected incidents. Remember, a well-planned budget ensures a worry-free vacation. Once you've got your budget sorted, it's time to pack. Consider your destination. Is it tropical or chilly? Pack clothing suitable for the weather. For a longer trip, choose pieces that are versatile and can be mixed and matched. Remember, packing light is key. Overpacking only burdens your journey. Also, don't forget those essential travel documents: passport, Idaho, and any necessary visas. Keep them safe and accessible. And lastly, pack a sense of adventure. Packing smart means carrying less and enjoying more. Health and safety should never take a back seat. When it comes to globe-trotting, travel insurance is a must-have. It's the safety net that catches you when unexpected situations arise. Vaccinations, too, are crucial as they shield you from potential health hazards lurking in unfamiliar territories. Always carry necessary medicines. You'll thank yourself later. And hey, keep those emergency contact numbers handy. You never know when you might need them. Taking these precautions means you can focus on enjoying your trip. Finally, remember to relax and enjoy the journey. We've covered researching your destination, budgeting, packing essentials, and health and safety considerations. All this preparation ensures a smooth journey. Follow these steps and you're not just planning a trip, you're planning a great adventure. Safe travels.